wander through the rising day. Breath and heartbeat merge along the way. Wind pulls hard at the edge of sight, rhythm pounding in the morning light. One clear path and a distant line, all that matters in this moment of time. Pushing forward with fire inside, driven by something that just won't hide. Faster through the open air, a world that rises everywhere. Chasing dreams across the land, racing where the heart will stand. Faster through the open air, with strength that answers every dare. Emotion where the spirit flies, reaching far beyond the skies. Sunlight glimmers on shifting ground, speed and focus the only sound. Every breath a promise made, every stride a choice displayed. Somewhere ahead a future calls, beyond the fences, beyond the walls. Rushing forward with steady grace, never slowing the steady pace. Faster through the open air, a world that rises everywhere. Chasing dreams across the land, racing where the heart will stand. Faster through the open air, with strength that answers every day. Emotion where the spirit flies, reaching far beyond the skies. Moving toward a brighter place in